What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Miguel. You're watching Miguel EDC, the channel where we talk everything EDC gear here. Today I have another quick unboxing video for you all. I just got this package in the mail yesterday and I can't wait to go ahead and cut into it to see what goodies we have waiting inside. I don't really know exactly what's in here. You may already have a clue based on the title and thumbnail. This knife does come over to me via the Lefty EDC knife pass around, and so shout out to Lefty, aka Kevin. And doing the honors today, we have the Kunwu Django. And for whatever reason, doing the unboxing of this guy, by the way, the unboxing video on this knife is ready in the channel if you want to check it out after this video. The word Django has a D in front, which apparently is silent, and I completely butchered that the entire video, calling it the Django. But it's, you know, the Kunwu Django. And man, this thing has been a blast to EDC. I'm currently carrying it so I can do a review video on it, of course. If you haven't checked out the Kunwu chat, also here in the channel, you definitely have to check out. Kunwu is just killing the knife game right now. They're doing an amazing job, and I'm just really impressed with their knife. So by the way, links for this knife and every other knife in this video will be in the description. So if you want to learn more about this knife or any other knife you see in this video, make sure to check out those links in the description. Those do help out the channel if you do make a purchase through those links, but that is entirely up to you. That being said, let's go ahead and cut through here. All right, get a cut right there. Got another cut going on here. Put that belly to work. Boom. I think I should be able to open up this flap. I got a little bit more tape on the sides. And here we are. All right, let's see. What do we have? What do we have here? So it looks like we have the one knife. Okay. And it looks like we have another knife here too. How about that? All right, so we have two knives. That is about everything that's in the box, along with some pocket peanuts and such. And what are we working with? Knives and tool. This one is another debut in the channel here. We haven't really checked out this brand. Stay ready for more. That's their logo right there. SRM. And these are manufactured overseas in China. And let's see, do we have any idea on models? All right, we got two boxes. Let's go over with the smaller box first. Let's see what we have here. All right, without further ado, here we go. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy. Now keep in mind, these knives are not brand new out of the box. These obviously have been seeing some use from Lefty EDC's knife pass around. So there's the knife, silica gel in the box. And let's see. All right, take a look. If you guys are ready, I'm ready. All right, we got another pouch here inside of the plastic bag, and bam, there it is. Check this thing out, right? So this is first time seeing this brand or featuring this brand here in the channel. And yeah, we seem to have a crossbar lock construction going on. Deep pocket carry clip, which is reversible. Interesting how they did that, how the pocket clip comes out from the butt, from the back here. That's reversible, and of course we're talking about a ambidextrous knife. Check out the action here. Well, this thing whips. You can hear the blade go vroot, 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 vroot. And the action feels really good, right? Very nice and easy to manipulate. Let me do some acoustics for you guys. Yeah, if anything, the highlight there is it going whoop, 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 whoop. That thing whips. Okay, let's give it a quick wipe, of course. Get it nice and clean, pretty looking for you guys. And let's take a look at this knife here. Got a satin finish, drop point blade here. It's SRM, stay ready for more. And on the other side, we have 255L-GK and another serial number or something like that along those lines. That I'm not entirely sure what the steel is on this one, to be honest. It does have a little bit of a cover up piece here for the crossbar lock. Kind of helps it stay clean, I'm sure. Stay ready for more, says it right there in the back. Does it say anything in the box about the steel? So we know the 255L-GK is the actual model, but I'm not entirely sure what the steel is on this guy. The action is really good though, really smooth, right? Not really a lot of tension on the omega springs. The ball bearings are nice. All right, check out that thumb deployment. Boom. Bam. Reverse flick. Yeah, it feels really good. So those are your 3 deployment options right there. Thumb deployment, reverse flick, and of course using the crossbar lock. G10 feels really good. I want to say the handle is nice and contour on the sides, on the edges here. Ergonomically speaking, it feels pretty good. It's a little bit on the medium to small size, right? I have medium hands, are not the biggest, not the smallest. So I can still fit my full hand right there. 4-finger grip is good. No forward choke option on this one. And I'm noticing right away here, the plunge grind sort of ends right here. So it really doesn't give you a lot of room right there for sharpening. That's something that we'll talk a little bit more about during the review. Let's check the lockup. Rock solid, no up and down or side to side play on this bad boy. All right, check the alignment there. Pretty good. You guys be the judge, but that looks dead center to me. And as far as the pocket clip goes, right, you could sort of forget that it's there. Honestly, yeah, it's not too bad. You have this sort of like a straight line drop race with the duck bill. That's not too crazy high up or anything, so that's not too bad. And it is super deep carry, right? Look how high up this thing goes. So it's gonna be as deep carry as it gets. The entire knife technically gonna be hidden in the pocket. Absolutely no doubt about that. Yeah, action here feels pretty good. Really, really good action on this one. The fact that you can whip this thing. Alright, let's do a quick size comparison then, to give you an idea. Here's the Para 3 from Spyderco, the PM2. So it's going to be a little bit more Para 3 territory than anything. Demko AD 20.5 on the shark's foot blade. Honestly, really comparable to the size of the Demko AD 20.5. Of course, the slicer is going to be a little bit shorter. This one on the slicer blade. You guys take a look there. What about a classic like the Rat Model 1? Yeah, that's definitely going to be much bigger knife. What about the Rat Model 2? I want to say it compares, actually, definitely closer to the Rat Model 2. And we'll do a last one here, CJRB Pyrite Alt with the Warncliffe blade. And of course, the very popular Vosteed Raccoon here with a drop point blade, crossbar lock, and honestly, just a tad bit shorter than the Raccoon, and if anything, a little bit longer by a hair than the Pyrite. All right, so yeah, it's gonna be on that perfect medium, right? Like smallish medium size for EDC tasks. This thing is gonna be really, really carryable. The weight on this thing is insane. I don't typically do this during the unboxing. I do this during the review, but man, the weight on this thing is almost non-existent. So 2.4, well, 2.5. Always check the scale last minute. It's guaranteed that that number will change. So 2.5 ounces there on this one. For reference, the Pyrite Alt with the stainless steel scales, that's 3.7. And the Raccoon with the micarta, which is also pretty light, that one was 3.1 ounces. So yeah, very, very lightweight this thing. Talk about 2.5 ounces. That is really good right there. Let's do, of course, a quick paper cutting test here, shall we? See how this guy performs. All right, check out the swirls on that, right? That is really, really good right there. Wow. Okay, this thing is sharp, you guys. It really is. Bam. Wow. I think it's a laser beam. Yeah, it can definitely do paper, flat grind, almost a full flat grind. It definitely goes all the way to pretty much the top. There's a tapering section towards the back of the blade also. But yeah, it can definitely do paper. What about some cardboard? Let's test that out. Keep in mind when cutting cardboard, don't cut perpendicular like that, but at an angle. And there's no doubt in my mind, that cardboard, yeah, this cardboard is gonna be annihilated. Boom. Yeah, what happened there is that I sank the corner of the blade into the cardboard. But as long as you keep the edge running, check that out. That's really smooth, effortless. Effortless cutting with this thing. I am really, really impressed. You guys let me know in the comments on a scale from 1 through 10, how sharp is this guy? How much of an edge has it retained? Well, there you have it, guys. That is the SRM 255L-GK, that is the model. And again, I really wish that these companies gave it more of like a rememberable name, something like an actual name instead of letters and numbers will be pretty nice. But yeah, this thing is really sharp. This company has been around since 1998, and again, doing a debut here in the channel, which is pretty interesting. So yeah, impressed with this guy. Super lightweight, great action, super sharp. I'm not entirely sure on the price on this one, so I'll definitely be linking it down below so you guys can learn more about it if you want to check details. Keep in mind, guys, you guys already know the drill by now. I'm going to be EDCing this knife. I'm going to be carrying it here for about a week or two, and then come back to you guys with a comprehensive review, share with you everything you need to know as far as this knife, the good, the bad, the ugly, and everything else in between. So if you want to know anything specifically about this knife, please let me know in the comments right now. Go ahead and let's hang out down there. Any questions, concerns, anything you want to know about this knife, let me know. Go ahead and smash that like button if you haven't already. After all, it is absolutely free. It does help out the channel reach a larger audience. If you aren't already, this will be a great time to subscribe to the channel. I make knife content like this on a daily basis, and I promise you'll be worth coming back for more. If you want to support the channel a step further, there's a link down there for Patreon, or you can simply just become a member here on YouTube and get access to exclusive perks. That being said, guys, if you made it to the end, you guys are the real MVPs. I really love you all. Thank you for all your love and support. Again, check out the unboxing on the Kunwu Django, right? Check out the unboxing on this bad boy. Really good premium knife from Kunwu. Kunwu is just simply killing the game right now. They're doing really good. I'll put a card for that video here in case you want to see that one next. Take care, guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.